Most people know about Pearl Harbor, but did you know Australia was bombed too? On February 19, 1942, Japanese warplanes launched a massive attack on Darwin, in northern Australia. It was the largest foreign attack ever on Australian soil. Over 240 bombs dropped into waves. The damage was huge. 8 ships sunk, over 250 people killed, and the town nearly destroyed. It shocked the nation. Many thought the Japanese invasion was next. Why don't we talk about this more? Subscribe for more hidden stories from World War II.